now we are going to discuss about how to deploy this Streamlight app into the cloud. So as I said, Streamlight is giving us a free cloud way to deploy our application. So for that, you need to upload your code into a GitHub repository, and then that GitHub we need to give a authorize to the Streamlight app. So I have here the GitHub repository called document summarizer, sorry. So and then I have uploaded our file names, right? So that file name is main.py, and it's very important you need to give this requirement.txt file. In that you need to mention whatever the libraries that we need to use, or we want the external library, whatever the external library that we are using in our app. So in this case, we are using 4, right? Right? We need to mention those libraries in the requirement.txt. So when we deploy this app, the system will automatically install all those libraries from this case. And once you have your repository, which is in the GitHub, right? And what are the files and libraries, if you mention it, then you have to log into this share.streamlight.io, right? You need to sign up into this and then you can log in, right? And you can also log in through the GitHub SSO, right? You can also log in through GitHub SSO. That's what I did. So that it is kind of giving an access directly to the GitHub. So share.streamlight will access your GitHub repositories in order to deploy it. So once you logged into their site, this is what you see. Here, you can just click create app. So you have two options. Either you can use the template or you can also use your own stuff. So as I mentioned, we already uploaded our app in the GitHub. So you can click this, right? And this is where you can have to select the repository. So we have to going to select the document summarizer repository, and that the branch is main is our branch, right? If you have different branch, you can select that. And then our file name is main is our main file. This is where our application code is there. So you are clicking here main.py. Okay, and then you also have an options to or customize this app. So I just mention it pre. Okay, I just use ChatGPT. You can see that. Okay, the domain is available. No, the domain is already taken. Bother. See? Okay, you can customize this. Whatever the want, you whatever the name you can give it. Okay, and then just click this deploy. So it will fetch the code from that repository and then it will install so that you can see. So this is generally what others say, but as a developer, you can click this manage app and you can see the log. So these are the libraries they are taking considering. On top of that, they are also processing our document, right? So once it is done, you can change them. Okay, now this is where our application is hosted, right? And you can change the theme. Just go to here, settings, right? You can change this mode. Okay, this is where our app is. Now again the same thing, you can upload any file. So I'm uploading here the text file. You can see the original content and then you can see the pre-processed content. Since I don't want to expose our API key, I just did that, hidden that ChatGPT portion. So if you have a API key, which you can, okay, because ChatGPT will not recommend you to upload your API keys to the GitHub, that to a public repositories, right? They will automatically remove your API key access. So it's better not to upload the API key in the public GitHub repo, right? So this is how you can upload. This is how you can do it. Okay. Now this is a URL of our applications. Okay, we can also see or click view all apps. So this will take you to the home screen of your case. So see this, yeah. You can now create any number of apps. Okay, or you can even delete these cases, and you can also see the analytics, right? Okay, so if you want to see this, about this, just click this URL. Okay, this our application is ready. Okay, thank you.